Hello, I am Mukesh here from Bombay. Basically, my my field is accounting, data entry, as well as income tax return filing, etc. I have come across this EazyAUTO4 software of Impression Systems Private Limited 4 5 years back. And I am very satisfied with this software. Software is very useful software. Basically, it saves a lot of time for duplicate data entries. I'm getting all my bank statements downloaded in Excel format and convert them easily in this through this software in Tally. By that way, there is a lot of accuracy. There is no mismatch of any data like figures. So many typing hassle also saved there. So I am very happy with this software, and particularly software and this support and after sales service is very nice. I used to talk to Mr. Tosif repeatedly, and their entire team is giving very good response wherever difficulty is there. They are taking, they are helping immediately and satisfactorily. So whoever is interested, I will definitely recommend them. I used to talk to them also, and definitely software is very user friendly. Thank you.